welcome back to Devil's Workshop. So today's the main topic is all about one of the most famous topic regarding the main sequences like what you should choose, a software development or it's a data science or statistical background. So before beginning or before digging more of it, we are trying to native some specific application of the data science and software development and the packages between them and how we can achieve the optimal performance, and at the end I will discussing about how much you can become a data scientist or how much time you are actually you should give to your you should given to your best practices. So for the very much optimal performance you have to learn some techniques. Before that, what should you do for your living? The main things, there are thousands of engineers wrestling and jostling with each other, and they are thinking that the software development could pay more than anything else. For that, many of tech savvy guys are actually included in the data science or included in the software development. But it's not the right way to choose your career. So it's a very important decision, mainly life decision. You have to take it with your own responsibility, and the most important thing is you have to take a specific path. You can't do everything at once. You can't be a data scientist with a software development engineer. You can't be a IT engineer with a data science. You can't be a blockchain developer with a data science. Not, this is not the track. The track is you are specialized with something else. Just like you can be specialized with data science, you can be specialized in blockchain at the very vast market of the IT sector, or whether it is a product based sector just like AWS, IBM, or you can say Meta or something else like Google. You have to pay more attention to your decision, just like what you actually want to do with your career. But as being a CSE engineer, for a CS engineer you have to do certain things, and for the certain things there are two parts. One is software development. Nowadays it's trending, man, and today's we can say the software development is actually cool, but I think there would be more hype with the Python, and the Python is actually nowadays most popular programming languages in the world. So you can do everything with the Python, and you can make any application with the Python libraries and make backend for them. In fact, you can do the UI UX options for the Python, and you can build the front end. So just skip to the main content. So we can actually hesitate to do some work in our field. Many of us are actually lazy in their field, that they can't be do software development, they can't be do data science. But it's not the actually problem. The actually problem is you have to focus on one way thinking. You can't focus on both software and data science. So you have to focus on one thing. Yes, you have to know everything, just like Java, Shell, Unix, Ruby, R, Python, CPP, JavaScript. It's the basic opportunity for everyone, but you have to focus on specific. If you are going to in data science, you have to think about the Shell, Unix, Python, and the most important thing, you have to be an expert. Be an expert in Python, and the basic of its libraries. And with it, you can be doing some MATLAB codes, doing some exercise in R, doing some exercise at in advanced level, just like the DNA sequences, matching DNA sequences, how to match specific software in the market that can use to buy for DNA fingerprinting. So DNA fingerprinting is also a vast science. So here is the scenario. You can choose either data science or software development. So what should you do for your entire career? You have to do specific things. If you are wanted to go with your software development skills, that are called soft IT skills, and hard IT skills are actually just like the data science or the data analytics, and data analytics and everything else is already comes under the data science segment. In fact, the AI also comes with the data science segment. So it's not the fact. The fact is you have to do the specific software development process, you have to know about Flutter, you have to know about Kiwi, you have to know about the frameworks just like Flutter and Kiwi in the Python, in the Dart. The most important thing, you have to know about UI of Java, just like the UI of Dart. It is the framework is actually Flutter. For the Flutter, you can do some UI UX framework operations to build the front end, and the basic and with that you can use Python, Ruby, or you can say the Java for the background, and Firestore for your backend. Whether it can be used as a AWS server also, you can use your AWS server to do your backend in app development. So it's all about the app development or software development. So software development is actually the first things you have to think about the Java, you can say Ruby, you can say CPP for game development, you can say the basics of C for the basic stack architecture. You have to do some basic code of the most important Kotlin. You have to know a bit lot about Kotlin more than Java, because it's trending nowadays and Google has officially allows it to the most important language for coding the mobile apps. Okay, so it's all about the software development. And now I jump to data scientist role or data science. If you are try to jump to data science, your package will be 30 to 40% higher. Yeah, it's a fact. Even the top tier categories of software development actually earn 30 lakhs, whether it is in India, and whether the same post can be achieved at 35 to 60 LPA in India, whether they are data scientists. So data scientists are pay more than 30% more than the basic software development, anything else, or any basic engineer. So it's a very clear opportunity. Whether the basic salary for software engineers in India are 3.6 lakh per annum. Yeah, please note it, 3.6 lakh per annum. It's a basic salary for software engineer. And in India, basic salary for data scientist or data science regarding data analytical or machine learning engineer or MLOps engineer, they have the variety. They are all equal to average 7.9 to 8 LPA per annum. So it's all about the basics. So you can choose what you can actually achieve your optimal of proficiency, and you can choose your career according to that. And it's a basic salary of 3 to 4 lakhs, whether it's a basic salary of 8 to 9 lakhs. Yeah, that's all about today. Please guys, if you are love my content, if you are love my knowledge, I am very little with my knowledge, but I am trying to narrate everything what I can know in the sector. So okay guys, thanks for today, and watch and share. Please do subscribe for that. Thanks again.